Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Temi, and on this channel I share content along the lines of personal development and self-improvement content. Thank you so much for following me and for joining me, where we're going to be looking into the power of setting strategic and smart goals. So this is a series that I'm doing on this channel on the Reset series, and we are on a journey to leveling up, to crushing it, to get into our next level in life. Because at the end of the day, if you want something that you've never had before, you're going to have to do something that you've never done before. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel and share this content with people that you know would benefit from it as well. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so we have been on a journey. We have been exploring the power of essentially resetting our life and what that actually looks like in terms of setting strategic or making strategic changes in our lives and in our everyday lives. And this is something that is so important, because look, we all get into a point where, you know, we've falling into patterns, or we've just been experiencing life the way we've been experiencing it, and it doesn't necessarily always yield results. And so sometimes we actually have to come outside of the box that we've found ourselves and actually try and do something different. And so this is why I started the Reset series, and I'm so excited that actually I've had a few more subscribers. Welcome to the family. My name is Temi. As I said before, I do content along the lines of personal development and self-improvement content, and you're in the right place if you're wanting to level up and see strategic changes in your life. But without further ado, because time is going, I wanted to talk about the power of setting effective and strategic goals. So, you know, in life, and when you want to achieve something, goals is essential. Like, setting strategic goals is essential. Why do I say this? Because actually, if you want to see changes in your life, you're going to have to set a strategic goal. And these goals are SMART goals. So I always tell people that, look, if you want to see yourself achieve something that you've never had before, setting a SMART goal. So that is a goal that is specific, a goal that is measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. And these don't have to be like, you know, massive goals, like really overwhelming goals, but these could be things like making a goal really simple and small, right? And making it actually more likely that you're going to achieve the goal. So it could be, I don't know, let's say you wanted to save up a certain amount. So you would, for example, put a certain amount away every single month. Like, just for example, like, so let's say you make, I don't know, £50, and I don't know, I'm literally just throwing a number out there, but let's say you earn like £50 an hour or £75 an hour, so that makes a certain amount of money a month. Then you would calculate how much money you're happy to actually put away and save each month, right? So that's like a really simple goal. But I think that it's so important to set simple, strategic and small goals, because you're actually more likely to achieve it. So yeah, I think that setting goals is the biggest part of redesigning your life, because at the end of the day, if you haven't set a goal for yourself, if you haven't actually put something down on paper, the vision that you have for your life is not going to come to pass. The things that you want to see happen are not going to actually manifest. So writing the vision down is one step, which we spoke about in my last video. If you didn't see that, please go and have a look in my last video. I'll put a link at the top here. But the next step is actually setting a goal and making that vision come to life, making the vision become a reality, living out the vision and the goal that you have for yourself, living that out. And goals are what I call a means to an end. It's a way to bring that vision to life, and it's a way to actually see tangible momentum and effective results in your life. So if you are looking for how to actually do this, how to actually implement this, I would say sit down with like a journal, sit down with, you know, your life inventory as well, and think about, okay, what are the things that I want to achieve? So this is all about the achieving side. And so what you want to do at that point is then think about, okay, so if these are the things that I want to achieve, and if this is the list that I want to work towards, what are the strategies, what are the things I need to put in place to actually make this come to fruition, or to actually make this come to life. And so what that might look like is, like I said before, setting smart, realistic, measurable, achievable and timely goals. And when you do that, you'll start to see that actually things are moving in the right direction, and you're working your life is moving in the right direction because your focus is also going in the right direction. One of the things that I love so much about goal setting is the fact that it helps you to actually be focused on a set task and on a set objective. Life can be so distracting at times, and the truth is we're not always focused on the things that we need to achieve and on the things that we want to see manifest in our lives. And so I find that setting goals actually helps me personally to actually stay focused on a specific task and dedicate my time and my energy towards it. It also helps with procrastination. So if you're someone that struggles with procrastination, laziness, all that kind of stuff, setting smart goals can be really helpful for actually getting over that, and actually having some accountability and saying, do you know what, you can actually speak to someone that you trust, somebody that you know that is not going to use this against you. And essentially what you can do is tell them your goals, let them know that this is essentially what you're hoping to work towards, and this is the goals that you're hoping to put in place. And essentially what that's going to help you to do is have an accountability partner, have somebody who can keep you accountable, because on this journey of goal setting, it's so easy for us to veer off. If you have somebody that you can keep you accountable, that you trust and that loves you, or even if you have extra money, you can actually hire an accountability coach that can help you focus on the set objectives that you want to achieve in your life. So I would definitely say having somebody there, that you trust, that loves you, that can keep you focused on the goals that you're setting for yourself, can also help with procrastination and also laziness as well. And then the last thing I would say is, if you fall off the bandwagon, which we all do at times, just keep going. Just keep going, knowing that actually the fact that you have a goal in mind, the fact that you have a vision in mind for your life and you're working towards that, is a big step in and of itself. And so the first thing to do is, if you do fall off, which we all do, knowing that that's okay, giving yourself the grace to know that it's okay, and just getting back on the bandwagon again, and just keep moving forward. Because at the end of the day, movement is important. It doesn't, as long as you're moving in the right direction, even if you fall off, knowing that you can just keep going and keep focused is the most important thing. So that's a kind of snippet into this topic on setting goals and why goals are really, really important, how goals are actually going to help you to bring that vision that you have for your life into fruition and into the reality. And so I'm really excited that I've been doing this series. I know that this is helping people. I know that people are subscribing. I've been having, a few messages, which has been really nice. The reset series will be coming to an end very, very soon. There's going to be one more video in this series. So if you've liked this series, please, please, please like, subscribe, share this content, right? Because listen, there are other people that want to level up with you, and it would just be really unfair for you to have all this information and not actually share it with somebody else that could help them as well. So without further ado, I'm gonna love you and leave you. I will see you next week on another video on this channel on the Reset series. But until then,